allow me to justify nganong I need to get another watch. Wala lang, murag di lang kompleto kung wala ang data from Apple Watch yun. Gusto ko makompleto, so see you later. Ang dami ko mga ayaw na! Alagay ko na! Kasya ko na karon ang mga maleta. Like, can you believe? Kasi ba sa mall, ay walang katapusang shopping.
Ang president.
President ang mag-apo.
Bawal man.
Ito na kompleto ang 9 mornings, be. Carl, ito na kompleto ang 9 mornings.
Ben, gina siya 10.
Ikaw ang mo-pray. Kay kompleto man. Kaya po yung video. Need to work. Hi! Merry Christmas, everybody! Happy birthday, Brad! Ay, nara din ang birthday.
Day, mga unta, day.
Go!
Day, gutom, day.
Una ko na to ang kuanday, mga...
Tapos nag-isa,
Ay,
day.
siron sa siron. Mag-rice ka?
After siya. Red is my red.
Yeah! Lili, vlog sa vlog today. Say hi to the vlog! Hello guys, this is our accommodation for today. 2 days, 1 night only. Hey, see guys, ready to swim na si Aster. Gitugnaw na yung mami. Hi, shout out to Mayvel. Dai, we miss you here. Huy! Tito Mike, ano ba yan, Tito Mike?
Ato di haba.
Picture, picture. Untay nga to ta cute dahil to na natumbay.
Ayaw ko.
Oo na siya, Day. Ano yung pasabot? Or iba? Okay, so from Butuan to here is about 3 hours, and then tomorrow we are going to Cagayan. So, gift giving lang tonight, kaon-kaon, sugba-sugba, chill, ligo sa pool, and then tomorrow is like mga 10 a.m. or 12, check out, and then proceed to Cagayan de Oro. Tapos SNR and mall. See you later. Main entrance. Hey guys, how to prepare si coffee? Hot to drink. Okay, so be with me, help me guys. Have your milk, and then of course the tatlea, the butter roll, and then we have the sweetener or katong ako ang condensada. Of course, the expert from Nanito Banks. The Ninong is here! The Tito is here! Hi, Tito JB! I-flex sabi ko. Ay! Hala!
I-flex na ito nga na sa
Guys, may tattoo siya!
Nag-lotion na lang. Lotion?
Nag-lotion na lang. Grabe! Grabe, Jeep. Sakit? Sakit?
Pila ni?
So, pizza here.
Hindi na siya kadugan.
We're going to init the silba. Biofixer year-end. Woo, 2025. Guys, next year, ahala po kami, no? So, basta yung bukid nun?
Itong gani, may mga pine trees.
Ay, oh. Sa bukid na na?
Ang hindi kasi lang.
Ay, wow. Saan kaya yan?
Para ka mag-ingat mo sa ating guy.
Roy!
Sabi, riot! Riot talaga! Okay! Okay, next one is...
Ako, naka.
Oo. Kay Nilat! Who is the violet one? Oh, that's... Excited na si Manang. Because, yes, white is the presence of all the colors. Okay, go!
1, 2, 3, go!
Kani nga game no, dili siya pang bata.
Hindi kong baka dahil
Okay, okay.
Hindi, lumag yung lollipop dahil.
Red ba na siya?
Okay. Lagi bata nga mga luwod ni Guman.
Kaiga ka ning duha dali.
Oh, sino kayo dyan? Mga, okay, next is something. Something pink. Okay, me. Okay, me. Okay, me. Talikod sa ha. Something pink. Maapod lagi taning tanan. Parehas ran eh. Ayaw kaguol.
Ay, that's wrong.
Pero, kaya ko sa gusto.
Ay!
Ano siya? Hilig mag-shell?
Well, every one of us. So lisod naman na yan, I guess.
Ganahan mag coffee and potato corner?
Sayang ko.
All new banana? Aster!
Paborito kayo na yung sinina.
Correct.
Kay relatively siya ni Marcos.
Nani ko ay.
Nagkaya siya sa Marcos.
Ay, wala ka pala na ako.
Para mas specific, pag ulali siya ng held o party silang balay. Naghapon yun.
Pwede.
Mura.
Wow. Picture. Oy, mag-open ka sa gift? Okay, let's open the gift. Wow! Butanganan sa Apple AirTag. Kumpleto na ako ang AirTag. Gratitude cake. Okay, so basta something grateful ka, no? What makes you grateful this year?
I'm grateful also I was promoted.
Kadaghan ba na-promote this year?
Anong branches na goes, pero grateful dapat ko kay Dumog is aside ko layo, like Agusan Sur, pero salamat Ginoo kay sa buton ako. Yay!
Thank you so much. Buro naman kog anak. Ani aside din si mami ka. Inaanak. Okay, so this year I am so grateful for everything, for the work, for the gift of family, for the gift of friendship, for the gift of consciousness kay mora man gid na ang ato ang naa sa ato ano ang ato ang gift of kanang life, no? Kanang beyond sa atong pride ug sa ato ang mga problems here. Ang naara gyud ta kay kana ra gyud atong consciousness nga makita pa nato atong mga friends, atong parents, ang atong pag wala na tay consciousness wala na. End of everything, wala tay problema. Next year, I am looking forward for more travel. So, 2026 is about travel, gid guys, ang atong theme, no? More bonding, more coffee shop, more Uniqlo, more investment sa gold, and I am also looking forward for my friend Deborah for MP2 investment. Gusto na ko magsugod na gid siya sa iyang investment and mag-book pa ta og tickets international. So di na ta maglaag og mga local no kay simra magyapon ng gasto. No, okay, so mag-book na ta Hong Kong, Singapore, Sapporo, Japan for the snow, and Vietnam, Sapa for the winter sa Asia. Okay, so bag diaries with Philippine flag kay wala lang. Random content, no? So mora to siya. So surprise. Dagan pa tag mga surprises next year. So dagan kay tagkuan. Okay, so right now we will take a picture and
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and now you're slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting your hands moving around the clock and I still can't get enough.
Jump, jump.
No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast.
Parang ginaw. Jakit.
But we could go all in. We could be loved by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive.
Mas tulong
We could start running. It could have still ways. Time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could be loved by the end of the night. By the end of the night. I like the way you hold me close and wrapped around my waist like you've done it all your life. I like the way it feels to have you running lap after lap all around my mind. Yeah, if the world ended today and I was sad right here by your side, I'd be okay. Yeah, I'd be okay. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be loved by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. But we could start running. It could have still ways. Time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could be loved by the end of the night. By the end of the night. I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met in the night. I like how we just met.
okay, nabudol na po sa SNR. Gusto ko makita tag drinks. Something to drink. Nami sa Centrio, guys. Wala pa may nahuman sa among pagkagastador.
Ay, kung panahon man day, kung nakapit tayo.
Pila ka kuha ni mong palit tumbler? Isa lang? Pila mo nabayaran?
1,099.
1,099. Ah, goods,
Yes,
no?
ay,
Palit siya, guys. Yung Sunny's Flask. Wow! Ay, that's it. Mogi na siya. Girl, Mavel, oh. Kuha na lang, 4,000. 40% left. Tapos yellow. And stop over the side. Let's see if makakaon na dito, guys. Basta.
Yeah, after what I did today, and I was sad by your side, I'd be alright.
Walay rice diri, guys. Nagreklamo na sila. Yawa na sila kakaon ng rice. Wala daw tarong na rice.
Sarong mga rice dahil hilaw ang rice kagabi.
Kagabi ihilaw ang
Hilaw ang
rice.
rice magka-morning.
O, diba? They like to eat rice talaga. Okay, so let's go to Jingoo. Hey guys, so finally we are home after our Biofixer year-end Christmas party. So, aside sa Busa ng Yaman, doon na sa Blue. So, bawal ang week dito guys.